Welcome! In this video, we will cover how a Field Central user will connect or map distributors to their material list. We will cover how to do this manually and via data import. Mapping distributors to the materials in your system will help better inform material forecasting and reporting, in addition to the reordering of those materials. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, navigate to the settings page either via the main menu or the quick action panel. Then click Materials. From this page, you are able to export the material list, add a distributor, map a distributor and the distributor part number to the material item, and edit or add materials. Additionally, after at least one distributor and part number has been mapped to a material item, the user is able to select that distributor from the drop-down menu and export distributor part mapping. This will be especially helpful as the exported spreadsheet follows the same format that will be needed in order to import distributors and part mapping. Let's begin with first adding a distributor and manually mapping them to a material. Click Distributor List and then select the green plus button. Provide the name of the distributor and then click Add. Now that you have added the distributor by name, let's continue by manually mapping a material or part with the distributor number. Use the arrows on the left side of the page to open the material category and then select the pencil icon on the specific part or material in order to edit. Within the Edit Material window, click on the green plus button to map a distributor part. Since we have only added the name of one distributor, they will automatically populate in the distributor dropdown. If multiple had been added, we would need to select the appropriate one here. Complete the process by providing material or part specific information from the distributor and then click Add. Now we can confirm that this specific material within Field Central has been mapped to the distributor with the appropriate distributor part number. Once you have added at least one distributor part to the material list, you will be able to select that distributor from the drop-down menu and then export distributor part mapping. This will only export materials that have already been mapped to this distributor. Since we have only mapped one material, there will only be one in the export. You can, however, utilize this spreadsheet to complete the material mapping process, as it is already in the format you will need for importing. To pull a material part full name list, navigate back to the material page and click Export Materials. Take the desired part full names from this export and add to the Export Distributor Part Mapping document. Be sure to only copy and paste items that you want mapped to this specific distributor. Once you have your full parts full name list, continue by completing the rest of the fields with the distributor information as it pertains to each material. Once the file is ready, navigate to Settings and then Data Import. Select Distributor Parts from the drop-down menu. Notice required column headers identified here also match our Export Distributor Mapping spreadsheet. Select the completed file and upload. You will be able to confirm your import uploaded successfully via the data import status. Once the upload is complete, the distributor and other information will be added or mapped to the identified materials. Ready to give it a go? Complete this process for whichever distributors you use.